Yeah, no, that's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready.
Good.
Steady.
And we go.
Because I love you, not because we're far apart. It's because I love you, and because you're near my heart. It's because I miss you, oh how long it seems to be. It's because I miss you, thoughts of you come back to me.
Got a map for you.
Cool.
Take a look at it.
But I don't know that you'll see
carry on there.
Right, Beacon Lodge. Right now, this is what's this called? This is called
Beacon Hill.
This is it.
So yeah, exactly. So we've got to be around there, haven't we?
The Trans-Cambrian Cycleway.
Are you reading that?
No, I'm just trying to find it.
I've got my phone, so I can look at it.
Yeah, go.
Yeah. I bet you haven't got any signal up here, though, have you? No.
I'm going to make it famous.
Yeah, that's Big where he's
That's
not
right.
doing, he's not selling electric bikes anymore, he's hiring them. I've just I've looked at some business hiring cycles.
Listen, my child, you say to me, I am the voice of your history. Be not afraid, come follow me. Answer my call and I'll say to hunger and pain. I am the voice
source.
Are you filming right now?
I am.
Well, here we are on the source of the River Lugg in Wales,
Gonna get
up
in
in
this
the
one,
Herefordshire
okay.
Hills.
I think Paul is right on the edge of the shot. So yeah.
I'm just adding the voice.
And I'm just adding the pretty face.
Indeed. Not many people come up here.
And here we are,
It's the source of
the
any.
source of the River Lugg.
Quite a place to be, isn't it?
We have marched many miles to get here. But it's lovely up here.
You don't only have respect for a certain thing, you have respect for everything. Animals, birds, people, laws. What is short in this world today is respect, love, unity, and faith. 4 things.
We know that the earth itself and the places on the land is where the people learned all of the lessons of how to be human beings.
It is there. So it's coming up from underneath the ground somewhere.
This water would be alright to drink, wouldn't it? Or would you still boil it?
I'll drink that up as it is.
Would you? I probably feel safer if it boiled.
So before and after.
Quite getting the whole thing.
And we've done it with an hour or so to spare.
Yeah, I'm glad we moved on actually,
Yeah.
because it was too early now, wasn't it, to have stopped before?